my kitchen. Today I have got a great party idea for you. We're going to be making some naan pizza for an impromptu pizza party. Now before we get to our recipe, I have some really exciting news. You can now find all of our recipes on our very own webpage. The link is in the description box below, so make sure that you visit albertseasygourmetkitchen.com, and there you will find all of the recipes that we do here on the show. Well, now let's get right to our recipes and make some delicious pizzas. Alright guys, I have got two great recipes for you. One of them is a goat cheese and roasted vegetable pizza, and the other one is a chicken barbecue with Gouda cheese on it. They are absolutely wonderful. I'm sure you will enjoy them, and so will your friends. Okay, let's get started by slicing up an assortment of bell peppers. I'm using red, green, and yellow bell peppers. Next, you want to slice up 2 tomatoes. Next, you're going to slice up half of a red onion. Now, I love to entertain, but having friends over nowadays can be somewhat difficult. Everybody's busy, they're all running around, they've got jobs, they have things to do. A lot of my friends have kids, and it's not easy to get together as it was when we were much younger. That's why throwing little intimate parties is something that I really love to do. That way I don't lose touch with the people who mean so much to me. Now on a baking sheet, you want to lay out your peppers and your onions and drizzle with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Don't forget to season with some salt and black pepper. You're going to roast your vegetables in the oven at 450 degrees for 10 minutes. Now take some extra virgin olive oil and drizzle it right over your naan bread. Now you want to dot your bread with some tangy goat cheese. Go ahead and place some tomato slices on your bread. Listen, don't be afraid to try something new. I'm using some barbecue sauce that I have not used before, but I found it in my local market and it looked pretty good. So I bought it, tried it, and it's absolutely delicious. Sometimes we get stuck in these ruts where we keep using the same ingredients and we keep using the same stuff to make our meals. Well, you know, try something new. You never know. You might find something that you absolutely love. Spread your barbecue sauce all over your naan bread. Now add your shredded rotisserie chicken. Add some of your peppers and your red onion. Now you want to top your pizza with some smoked Gouda cheese. Now once your vegetables are roasted, go ahead and place them on top of your goat cheese. Don't forget to add some wild mushrooms. Now sprinkle some Parmesan cheese over your pizza. Now, while your pizzas are in the oven, it's a good time to take your best friend on a walk. All right, our pizzas are ready to come out of the oven. Oh my goodness, take a look at that. Let's go ahead and slide off our parchment paper so that we can slice into our pizzas. Now before we slice into our pizza, let's go ahead and drizzle some balsamic glaze right over our roasted vegetable and goat cheese. And now, using our pizza cutter, we're going to slice right into it. Well, all that's left to do is greet your friends and enjoy your pizzas. I hope you guys are having a good time with these videos. If you like them, please remember to hit the like button. Also, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you can stay on top of all of the recipes that we're sharing on this channel. I'm Albert. This is Albert's Easy Gourmet Kitchen. Like always, I hope you're all eating healthy and living healthy. I'll see you back here next time. Well, all that's left to do is enjoy your pizzas. Well, suck it. Eat it raw. It hurts. So for a recipe like this, don't be afraid to try something new. I went out to my local market and I found a new barbecue sauce that I hadn't tried before, and I wanted to try it. So this is what I'm going to be using today, and hopefully it'll be good. It's barbecue sauce. How bad can it be? Barbecue pizza. So I hope you enjoy it. Suck it up inside of me. My neighbors. Love them. All right, one more time. Bradley, don't even start with me, goddammit. Later, I got stuff for you later. Don't jump it up here all cute. All right.